If you don't want to use the same mockups for your Redbubble designs that everyone else is using, or want to showcase multiple artworks in one image, there are some Photoshop templates in the Redbubble blog. You'll find them when you click on the Promote Your Work tag. Open the one you want and download the template. Open it in Photoshop, and if you don't have Photoshop, you can start a free 7-day trial from the link. All you need to do with the template is to double-click on the smart object marked with red, go to File, Place Embedded, and choose your artwork. After you click Place, you can resize it by pulling from the corners, move it, and then click on the check mark at the top. If your image has a transparent background and there's a solid background color layer in the template, you can double-click it open and change the background color. Click OK and then save the smart object by pressing Ctrl S. Go back to the template and your design should be on the template. If you didn't save the smart object, it's not there. There might be other things you can change, like choosing the background image by hiding the current background. If you hide the existing text from the right sidebar by clicking on the eye icon, you can add your own text with the text tool marked with a T from the left sidebar and change the font, color, size and placement. If you want to use a sticker template like the laptop mockup, add your artwork the same way by double-clicking the red layer, hide the text, go to File, Place Embedded to bring in your sticker design, and you can resize it or tilt it before clicking the checkbox or clicking Done. But now hide the solid color layer as well. Save and go to the template. Open the design adjustments, hide the one that says skin, and instead choose the one that says stickers. That adds the white sticker border and shadow. And you can add multiple stickers, of course. And then you can export the mockup as PNG or JPEG to make it a smaller file size and use it on your website or post on social media. Because the templates are PSD files, you can't use them with just any free software, but I'll try to test it and come back to you with the Photoshop alternatives I can find. But you can only use the Redbubble templates to market your Redbubble shop. Watch this video on how to make your own mockup templates. See you there!